Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we are going to add our HomeKeepr blog to our command website in just a few easy steps. So this is what it looks like on our website. Again, HomeKeepr puts out a new blog every 2-3 days or so, and the way we add this widget, it will live update and add every single blog that they add, okay? So obviously once a consumer wants to read some more, they can click on it and they will then be transferred to the HomeKeepr site to continue reading this blog, okay? And we're going to add it the same way we added the mortgage calculator and the greatscores.org widget. Now for this one, you will need your HomeKeepr login. So, there was a sheet that you got sent possibly from Scott Leroy or from your agent services that shared several logins with you when you first joined us. Look back in your email to find that sheet. When you log into HomeKeepr, save your username and password. And if you're having trouble, reach out to your agent services and they'll walk you through revisiting and resetting that password. So we're going to go to HomeKeepr.com. Just know it is spelled home and keeper is KEEPR.com. Again, KEEPR.com. Okay. From right here, we're going to click sign in or hover over sign in, and we're going to select the realtor option. So if you are having trouble remembering your password, you hit forget password first. If that doesn't work, contact your agent services. We're going to go ahead and log in. And from this page right here, this is your dashboard. If I scroll down, it says right here, my widgets. That is what we are looking for, okay? So we're going to click on that tile. And you can actually see there's two tabs right here. My Trusted Pros. Under My Trusted Pros, that's kind of similar to this vendor tab right here. These are the vendors that are either national vendors with Keller Williams, vendors that are inside of your office or similar offices in the area, and you have the ability to invite some vendors to this view right here, and you have the ability to add some of your own personal vendors that you trust and use as well, okay? In this one, we're actually going to be adding our blog widget. So we can come right here to this tab, My Blog Widget, and you can see right here under iframe, it's saying we want this one for KW command. So we're simply going to copy this code. And like we have for our previous pages, we're going to add it in just a few simple steps. Again, you can hit the create new page right here. I always like going through the same steps of agent site pages. Add a new page, create new site. Going to remove this afterwards. I'm going to drag in again the company profile. And then I'm going to configure the widget and select my company profile. This headline is going to appear right here on your screen, so call it what you like. You have 30 characters. Under the intro text, we're going to remove all that text, and then we are pasting this code right here that we copied right here into our intro text, because that's the biggest box that we have. It says you can only have less than 200 characters, but it actually has unlimited characters there. And again, we're going to remove this information. We do have to have something here. And I'm going to work it down and remove the rest of this information. If you have some great tips, selling experiences, buying experiences, you can certainly add them under the description and put a little image in there. But for this one, we're just adding the blog. And when we hit save and apply, we now have our HomeKeepr blog there. Now, sometimes our sites display it as one blog stacked on top of the other. And sometimes the code gives it to us as 3 blogs side by side for us to scroll through. Not really sure what causes the differences. I know size of screen can come into play occasionally. Sometimes it just seems like it's a little different. Again, if I zoom out a little bit, that's when we're seeing it stacked side by side versus being zoomed in a little more. So we're going to save changes and select yes. Again, we just created the site by doing this. Now we need to add the site, okay? So we're going to hit add page again, and there is our blog that we created. We're going to continue. Page title. Again, the page title is what it will show on our drop-down menu on our website as the page titles. These are all page titles. The slug is just what follows my website on my subdomain, heathrealty.kw.com/blog. Will take them straight to this blog. Tell them what to expect. Hit save changes. Sometimes this save changes button doesn't cooperate, but we do need to have it update. And so just grab down here on this left side. This is how you rearrange all those pages. Just grab it and move it, and you'll see we just updated successfully, okay? So that is our step for adding our blog to our websites. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the rest of our videos for adding content to our websites.